Hello learners, this is teacher Cyrus. Welcome to today's mathematics lesson. Our strand is fractions and the substrand is adding unlike fractions. Today we are going to learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Therefore, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve such questions with a lot of confidence. Before we continue, let us remember this. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. On the other hand, the fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. The fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. This is what I mean. If you are given a fraction like 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5, let us check our fractions. In the first fraction, 1 over 5, our denominator is 5. The second fraction, 2 over 5, our denominator is 5. Therefore, the two denominators are the same. From our definition of like fractions, we said the fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. So in this case, 5 here and 5 here are the same. Therefore, the two fractions are known as like fractions. In our second case, if you are given 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2, our first fraction 3 over 4, our denominator in this case is 4. The second fraction, our denominator is 2. So if you look at the two denominators, they are not the same. The denominators, that is 4 and 2, are not the same. Therefore, the two fractions are called unlike fractions. The two fractions are called unlike fractions. So let us look at our first example. Example, if you are given 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2, how do we solve this question? Step 1, you need to identify the denominators. Well, now, what are the denominators? In our first question, fraction, we have 3 or 4 and our denominator is 4. In the second fraction, our denominator is 2. Therefore, our denominators are 4 and 2. Our denominators are 4 and 2. Once you have identified the denominators, you need to find the LCM of the denominators, 4 and 2. And the denominator of the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. For those who don't know how to find the LCM of numbers, you can go back and check our first video where we covered how to find the LCM of numbers. So the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now that we have the LCM, our second step, we need to convert each fraction to the same denominator. So the first fraction was 3 over 4. The denominator, remember our LCM is 4, so this one will remain as 3 over 4. The second fraction is 1 over 2. For us to get 4, so you multiply by 2, you multiply by 2, so this will be 2 over 4. So once we have done that, our third step is to add the numerators. So we have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4. So what are the numerators? So the numerator in the first case is 3 and the numerator in the second fraction is 2. So we add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 over our denominator 4. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 2 is 5 and the denominator is 4. So can we leave the answer the way it is? No, because the answer is in the form, and then mean the fraction is an improper fraction. So we need to simplify this. So you simplify your answer. So the answer will be 1 and 1 over 4. Now this becomes your answer. Let us look at example 2. Example 2. If you are given 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6, the first step we said is to identify the denominators. And our denominators in this case are 3 and 6. Then you find the LCM. Now what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. What is the next step? We convert each fraction to the same denominator. So our first fraction was 2 over 3. We convert this, you multiply by 2, multiply by 2, because our LCM is 6. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. So this is 2 times 2, 4 over 6. The second one was 1 over 6. So already we have 6 down there, so it will remain 1 over 6. What is the next step? You add the numerators. So you'll have 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6. So the numerator here is 4 and the numerator on that side is 1. So you add 4 plus 1 over 6. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 5 over 6. Now 5 over 6 is your answer. Now that marks the end of that lesson. So I want you to pause this video. And try this question on your own. Pause this video and try this question on your own. Try this. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. Try this and you give us your answer in our next lesson. In summary, to add unlike fractions, number 1, you must find the LCM of the denominators. So to add and like fractions, we have said, number one, you find the LCM of the denominators. Number two, you convert fractions to the same denominator. So the two fractions, whether 3, the fraction that you be given, you convert them to the same denominator. Then in 3, you add the numerators. You add the numerators. Then finally, you simplify the answer if possible. You simplify the answer if possible. So that marks the end of our lesson today. I want to thank you for learning with me. Practice more questions to improve your understanding. See you in the next lesson. Remember to subscribe and share so that we can grow our channel and learn together. Thank you, and thank you very much.